Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a 10-inch height 3D letter with your Cricut. You are probably thinking you will need to pay extra to buy a bigger cutting mat and a scoring tool. Good news is you don't have to buy anything extra. You just need a blade and a 12x12 cutting mat that come with your Cricut machine. How good is that? Okay, let's get started. This 3D alphabet set is available in my Etsy shop. The product link is in the description. After you download the files, open Cricut Design Space and upload the letter you would like to make. Once uploaded, you can see all the elements are numbered and dotted lines are attached. You don't need to do anything with the file. All you need to do is click Make It. You can see everything fits in the 12x12 mat. I'm going to move the top layer E to the other page. We don't really see the bottom layer E, so I'm going to use plain white cardstock, and others I use medium weight cardstock. It looks good. Click Continue to choose the right setting, and sit back to watch your Cricut to do all the works. Here are all the cutouts. The bottom E layer is numbered to show the order of the assembly. All the other elements are numbered too to match. Now we have all the elements. Check all the elements are here. Oh good, then we can start putting it together. Put the bottom E layer in the middle and check the number order. It starts from inside and in clockwise direction. It also comes with a PDF instruction if you are not so sure. Find the matching elements and fold along the dotted lines. Sometimes with a scoring tool, you will still need a ruler to help you to fold. My design saves the trouble and makes it easy to fold without any tool. Make sure the number is facing down. It wouldn't match if the number is facing up. Glue the elements in order. I'm still searching the best glue. The one I just bought is super thick and I could hardly squeeze it out of the bottle. So if you know any easy to use glue, please let me know. Put glue all over and stick the top layer on, tucking any bits that stick out. Use tissue to clean if it's necessary. That's it. 10-inch height 3D letter. How easy is that? Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy crafting!